Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to turn off Xbox Live Auto Renew. So to turn off Xbox Live or Xbox Game Pass Auto Renewal and stop recurring billings, here's a simple step you can follow to get it done. So watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. So the first thing you have to do is to press the Xbox button on your controller to open the guide. Then go to the profile and the systems, then click on settings. Then from there select accounts, then click on subscription, then choose your subscription, which is the Xbox Game Pass Live Gold or Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. Then select turn off recurring billing and follow the prompt. And yes, and that's a simple step-by-step guide on how you can simply turn off recurring billing on Xbox. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.